gonna give it to Grandma? What have you got? Come on over here. Come and see Grandma. Come and see Grandma. Come on, if you wanna see Grandma, you have to crawl over here. Come and see me. Come and see me. Come and see Grandma. Come on, Oliver. Come on. Thank you. Are you giving that to Grandma? Thank you. Is that yours? Ah? Do you want it back? Oh, boy. What's that? You gonna come and see Grandma? Yeah. What have we got here? What have we got here? Say hi. Say hello, Auntie Rita. Say hi, Auntie Rita. We'll send this to Auntie Rita, okay? Should we do that? We'll send this to... Are you gonna smile? Oh, are you gonna come closer? Come on. Oh, do you want the camera? Yes, he says, give that to me. Give that to me. Okay.